In the latest version of SeerWatch, you can capture CAN data using any SocketCAN interface. You can plot signals as they come in. You can filter CAN messages. You can click Fix Position to show only the most recent messages with the latest data, and you can also capture log files. I'm going to show you how to get that all set up in this video. Head to SeerWatch.com to get started. Click Download. You'll see the installation instructions and the latest release notes. Click the button to download. And then let's go to our terminal and we'll use app to install. It goes to my downloads folder, and then you can just target the .deb. You'll see this permission denied, but it should have installed correctly. So just type SeerWatch in the terminal. It'll launch. The other way is that it installs an icon. So if you go to your applications, find the icon and run it, it'll be there. It will load up with some demo data, but I want to show you the live features. So let's go over to live, and it says there's no interface found. So first thing I'll do is add a virtual CAN interface. And to do that, we can do alright, so that will, unknown device type. Alright, so that will add a virtual CAN device, and then we need to bring it up. And you can see at this point we can view it, but I also want to show you some messages. So I have a program that will transmit some messages, and let's see what it's transmitting. Alright, now we can see the data that it's sending live. You can filter on messages. You can also filter on any of the columns here. And as you can see, it's continuously scrolling. So if you scroll up, it will freeze the data at that location. And then if you want to see only the latest data for each message, you can hit this Fix Position. And it'll show you just each unique message with the latest data. Alright, next thing I want to show you is the plotting. So let's close the message window, and we will add steering angle and counter as data we can see. And then you can change the window size up here, so we can zoom in. You can also pause if you see something you want to check out, and then zoom in as well. Alright, and the last thing I want to show you is capturing files. So let's select a file, and we'll just save that. And then if you type in a message, you can filter, and so when we go to start capturing, you'll see it saying it's recording to a file, and it's only filtering on the steering messages. So let's stop the capture, and then if we view that file, you'll see it is just the steering data in that file. So 1EE is the CAN ID. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. You can head to SeerWatch.com to download and try it out, and there's also a web demo you can try.